What's up, Namaskar, I'm Sriniket.
Namaskar, I'm Rishikesh.
And in today's video, we are finally launching the touring visor kits for the Apache 160 and the Apache 200 4V.
Before this, we did a collaboration in which we made a top rack adapter kit for these bikes.
And we had a great response from you guys. Throughout the country, we shipped multiple adapter kits for these motorcycles. But that's not just a collaboration. In today's video, we are glad to announce you that we are starting a new joint venture, which is called
Stellar Industries.
Stellar Industries, yes. So under this brand name, we are launching a series of touring related accessories for the Apache series and multiple other motorcycles available in the Indian market. The first product of which is the visor kit. So let's get started. Till now you saw the aesthetics, the looks of the visor with the motorcycle. Now, what exactly will you get inside the box when you order the kit from us? Let me show you with a proper unboxing. About the contents, first of all, you'll be getting a brand new genuine windshield. Now, this is a genuine part, not a first copy one, which was difficult to source. And then we come to the main fittings. Let me fast forward the unwrapping part to show you quickly. You will get all the required fasteners, which are of stainless steel and high quality, and also number plate mounts. After that, we come to the main front frame. So this is the frame which basically houses the visor. On these 4 points, the visor will be mounted. After that, we come to the base bracket. So this is an important bracket on which all the other brackets will be mounted. And then we come to the stabilizer brackets. Now these brackets stabilize the visor at high speeds. They are mounted like this and the instrument cluster will be positioned like this. So basically these are all the contents inside the box. Done with the unboxing. I hope you got a clear idea of what exactly is this visor kit. Now let me show you step by step on how to install the visor on the Apache 160 and the 200 4V. But there's one disclaimer. This visor kit is only compatible for the BS6 versions of the Apache 160 and 200 4V. Let it be this type of DRL or the BMW style mustache DRL. The visor kit is not compatible for the BS4 or BS3 Apache 4V series. So now let's get started with the installation. First of all, remove these two and these two bolts and also remove the number plate. After that, in the fastener kit, you'll be seeing two bolts which are the longest ones with no nuts. We'll be installing them on these 2 points on the lower bracket, which will be mounted on the motorcycle in such a way. Now after installing the bolts, don't tighten them fully, keep them loose for now. After that, use the smallest bolts with no nuts. As you can see, the lengths are same, but there's no nut available. Install the bolt by aligning the lower bracket and also overlapping the front frame and tighten the bolts with proper alignment. Now keep in mind one thing, that after tightening the 2 bolts up front, you have to tighten the lower bolts fully, but don't tighten them too much or you'll rip the aluminium threads below. Now you'll be left with 6 same size bolts with nuts, and these are the stabilizer bars. Now keep in mind the direction. You have to place the bars accurately and then only tighten them, otherwise they won't fit. Now after using 4 bolts of same size, the setup will look like this. Now you're left with 4 long and 2 short bolts and the number plate brackets. Now take those number plate brackets and mount them in this fashion on these and these points. After that, you place the number plate and tighten the number plate bolts first and then the above bolts. Now you are left with 4 points on which the visor will be mounted. Now place the bolts into the visor rubber grommets, align it according to your preference, according to your height, and then place and tighten the lock nuts provided in the kit. This visor is completely adjustable in terms of the height. So basically, if you want to reduce or increase the height of the visor, simply do one thing: remove these 2 bolts, basically the 2 bottom bolts which hold the visor, and loosen up the top bolts. After that, you can place the bolts in the holes provided in order to increase or decrease the height of the visor according to your liking. You guys must be having a doubt, which is whether the mounting is different for different handlebar setups, because this bike has a clip-on handlebar setup while my motorcycle has a single piece handlebar. But as you can see, the visor is totally compatible with the LED DRL version, the BMW style DRL, and also the stock clip-on setup. So irrespective of the style, it is compatible with the BS6 version. Now let me tell you, the design, the aesthetics and the aerodynamics of this visor setup goes exactly hand in hand with the Apache series. And we have implemented precision manufacturing processes in order to make these mountings. About the process of the mountings,
It has been made with a high quality steel with a high quality powder coating, and also we provide in anti-rust fastener
so that it does not rust and prove a bit weird in the rainy season. Now about the design of the mountings, first of all, the instrument cluster of the Apache has been mounted on a plastic frame. which is very different to some other motorcycles, because of which if you mount anything heavy on the mounting, it starts to vibrate and can damage the mounting after some time. That's the reason why we had to design the mounting in such a way that it provides additional strength and additional support to the visor as well as the instrument cluster of the motorcycle. So now let's talk about the most awaited part of this video, which is pricing of the setup. Well, we are providing all the stuff, which is the visor, the mounting and everything. So the price of this visor setup is
2000 rupees only.
2000 rupees is the price of the setup before shipping. Shipping will be charged extra. You can DM us on Instagram to know more about it, and we can ship all over India. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we have launched a new brand called Stellar Industries, which deals with the accessories of the motorcycles. So we have also started a new Instagram page named as Stellar Industries. The link is provided in the description down below, so do support us by following that page. And also, if you want to get this product, do DM us on Stellar Industries Instagram to know more about the ordering process. And also beware guys, we are only dealing with this visor kit on the Stellar Industries official Instagram page and nowhere else. Be aware about this fact and do not deal with any other person claiming to be the seller, the retailer of the visor kit for the Apache series. That's all about the visor kit. Well, stay tuned guys, we are launching a lot of accessories, touring related, also non-touring related, on the channel very soon for the Apache 200 and the 164V. So stay tuned, follow the Instagram page and also this channel so that you get earliest possible updates for the upcoming touring season. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Always wear a helmet and riding gear or seatbelt while driving. I'll see you next time very soon.
Take
Take care
guys.
guys.